After we receive the machine, first check the overall appearance of the machine. On the premise of confirming that it is not damaged, power up the machine, then turn on the switch on the side. After power on, check the screen for a prompt showing. If not, we can install the powder silo on it. And water container. Add water to the water container. Then install the oil cup. The oil container can be empty first. Open the hatch after installation. Then install the base in. Make sure the installation is stable to prevent it from getting stuck up. And a mixing cup. Put it in and go up. Then turn right again. Can be installed firmly. If it doesn't rotate and get stuck, it's not installed properly. So go up and turn right. That's normal. Close the hatch when you're done. Then go back to the screen and click OK. Choose the flour one. Don't choose other options. Just choose the first one, then click Settings. Here is the thickness, usually around 10 to 15. Water is generally 1.5 to 2 milliliters more than it. About the amount of flour, here's a test only done. Long press for about 6 seconds. Then you can enter the background. This background can adjust the parameters. We can see the first one. Flour is the number of grams of flour dropped. It's the powder warehouse above. The second is rotational speed, which is the rate of kneading the dough. The third is the amount of oil produced each time. The fourth is the temperature of the upper plate. The fifth is the temperature of the bottom plate. These are adjustable. Generally, the number of grams of flours is mainly adjusted, usually between 27 and 29. Can be adjusted according to different flours. Click Return after adjustment. Then click OK. The second quantity. You only need 2 to test for the first time. Do not add oil first. Baking temperature is not limited. After adjustment, click Start directly. Then the machine will start working. The early stage is a process of preheating, so it will be slower. And now we can see, when this machine is working, it will automatically test the whole thing first for any faults.